Hello everyone, welcome to our MikroMasch product screencast. I am Penka Terziyska and I work for MikroMasch. In this screencast I will present the MikroMasch TGXYZ Calibration series. In order to obtain accurate dimensional measurements, we have to make sure that our AFM scanner is properly calibrated in X, Y and Z direction. Here is an example that illustrates the distortion of the topography image when the X-axis calibration is wrong and its correction after the calibration has been done. We developed series of calibration standards with patterns with well-controlled pitch. One among them is the TGXYZ series of calibration gratings for X, Y and Z axis calibration. Part of the TGXYZ calibration grating is shown on the SEM image on the left. The TGXYZ calibration grating consists of two square areas as shown on the picture. The smallest square in the center includes circular pillars and holes, as well as lines in X and Y direction with pitch of 5 microns. The larger square contains square pillars and holes with pitch of 10 microns. AFM topography images of the pillars and the lines with 5 microns pitch are presented here. These structures are convenient for accurate X, Y and Z calibration of the scanner. The TGXYZ calibration standard is available in 3 variants with different nominal steps of 20, 100 and 500 nanometers height for Z-axis calibration. The vertical non-linearity of the SPM scanner can be compensated by using several calibration gratings with different nominal step height. Thank you for your time and interest. For more information, please visit spmtips.com or contact us at info@mikromasch.com. Take care!